Right guys, so today is tour 2 and I'm going to show you around flat 2 and that's the upstairs flat. Let's go. So guys, just come into the first floor flat entrance and have fun with these electrics, aren't I? So to one side you'll have your bedroom. So that's your bedroom area. And then to your other side, you'll have walk into your lounge. So the bedroom area, as I said, that's pretty much going to stay the same layout. In here is where the major change is going to be. This is going to get knocked through. So you go straight into your kitchen from your lounge. Probably going to remove this so that this is all flush because that is not all original or all cast iron. It's been formed as well, so there's not much point in keeping that. So similar layout to downstairs. You're going to walk through from your lounge and in here we will be knocking through these walls. Rid of the shower room. Lovely. And your separate toilet will be going as well. So from here, this will be blocked up. This whole area then will be one major big bathroom. Sink, your bath probably on here, that side, with a sink probably here, and obviously the toilet moved to this side of things. This blocked up, but for now we'll just walk through, and then this is going to be your kitchen area. And as I said, that area there, guys, not straight through so it's accessed from your lounge. So yeah, we've got an awful lot of work to do, so I'll show you the CGIs of what the proposed for the upstairs is going to look like. Just realised that obviously I didn't say in the other video, another reason why I wanted to get the property as well was because obviously we've gone through my property profile in previous videos and this literally ticked off all 3 of those. So 1, I could add value. 2, I could learn some new project management skills on this one. And 3, also the main thing was to earn multiple incomes from one actual property, which is what I can do with this one, which is why this one was so appealing to me. So just a little bit of background as well on the property. It is actually a mixed use development. So you've got business use downstairs because you've got the vacant hairdressers, and then upstairs is residential. So we actually, while it was going through, the vendors were actually really kind and quite really patient with us, because what we did was we actually put in planning while it was going through, and we put in planning for business use, so to get the business use changed to residential, so downstairs to get that changed into a first floor flat. So yeah, we put in for planning, and on the drawings we actually put in to change the layout so that the ground floor flat mirrored the first floor flat layout. So you have your bedroom, your lounge, and obviously we're doing works to reconfigure the bathroom and kitchen on both properties, doing that on the ground floor as well. It was also in a conservation area, so we had to bear that in mind, and we had to get all that was all wrapped up in the same planning permission. So the vendors actually worked with us while it was going through, and allowed us to put in the submission for it. So we're very grateful for that, because obviously realised that we were serious buyers on it, and I think they've been wanting to sell for a while, so they were quite generous by allowing us to do that while that process was going through. But yeah, I'll pop those plans on screen for you to have a look at now. Guys, that's what we're hoping to do for the upstairs, and obviously the week before you would have seen the downstairs. So that is it for the video. Hope you enjoyed the tour. You can hear all the workmen downstairs. So like, comment and subscribe, and also watch this video next to see the next step, or week 1 of the refurb.